Hi everyone, American Pinay here. In today's video, I am going to share to you this easy to carry pocket survival tin that I added to my pack. The Military Scout Pocket Survival Tin. What I like about this is it is small and compact. It would easily fit in your pocket. I actually got this a while ago, and in this video, we will go through the content of this can. Before we open this, we have submerged this in the water to see how well it prevents water and moisture from going through inside the can. As you can see, the tin itself is wrapped nicely in this black electrical tape. So first we have the all-weather survival match. A utility cord in olive green, I think is the color. A button compass. Fire starter tender. A brass wire. Wire saw. A survival whistle. A water purification powder. A sewing kit with some safety pins, black thread, extra buttons and needles, of course. A small fishing kit with hooks, lures, and fishing line. Just some basic stuff you can use to catch fish. A band-aid in few different sizes. Zip ties. Small and sharp razor knife. A fire striker. An emergency signal mirror with instruction. Magnifier that you can also use to start a fire as a second option to your fire striker. A couple of tiny beeswax candle. A clear bag that you can use to keep something from getting wet or dirty, or to collect some water or other things. An absorbent, and of course a pencil. So this is everything that fits inside this can. Now we are going to put all these items back in the container, and I know it is sometimes challenging to figure out the order of this thing so it would fit nicely in this small container. I will show you that, or you can do it on your own order. So there you have it, the military-approved pocket survival tin that I now carry with me in my hiking bag at all times. I will also be using and refreshing some of the contents in this can in my future videos. Thank you for watching and be safe.